Instant facial skin unique. Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I did change my name. My name is Felicia. If you're new here, hi, I'm a beauty and lifestyle creator, and in this video I feature all things beauty, makeup, food, lifestyle. Welcome back. Today I'm going to be featuring the Ipsy May box. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. If you like videos like this, please consider subscribing here with the bell to all, and let's get right into the video. This is the PR version of the Ipsy Glam bag and Glam bag plus. The theme for this month is flower power. This is the Ipsy Glam bag. You get 5 sample products for $12 a month, and this is the Ipsy Glam bag plus. You get 5 full-size products for $25 a month. I'm gonna start by unbagging the Ipsy Glam bag first. This is what the bag looks like inside. It's got the Ipsy logo. It's well made. I love the material of this bag. The first product I have here is by Tula Skincare. This is the Instant Facial Skin Reviving Treatment Pads. It looks like this. I actually received 2 of these treatment pads. If you're someone that loves skincare, you would love the Ipsy Glam bag because it's a combination of skincare products as well as a couple makeup products. So this is really nice. I haven't tried these products before, but I have used an exfoliating face scrub by this brand, Tula Skincare. The next product I have here is by Olaplex Hair Perfector. This is the number 3, repairs and strengthens all hair types. It looks like this. I've never heard of this brand before. I'm gonna try this and let you guys know in my monthly skincare products review. I always review products I use monthly. I'll use this and I'll let you guys know next month, like June. And the next product I have here is by the brand Kinship. This is their probiotic moisturizing sunscreen. Oh, that's interesting. This is what the pack looks like. Oh, it's sealed. I'm gonna try it out right here, right now. Oh, the tone of this is quite interesting. Looks like something that would suit my skin tone. I'm gonna try this and just, oh wow, this is what it looks like. Sorry guys, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna blend it into my skin just to, oh, that's good. Oh my, I don't get to see any white cast at all. This is interesting. I love this. I'm actually on the hunt for sunscreen without white cast. I don't want to do no sunscreen. Any sunscreen with white cast is not my friend right now. So this is quite, it actually has a mild scent and it feels moisturizing on the skin as well. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I used it on this side. This really feels good on the skin. I actually love this. I'm very excited about this sunscreen. Love this. And the next product I have here is by the brand The Beauty Crop. This is Stock on You, is an eye primer. It looks like this. The packaging of this is really pretty. I love that it's colorful. I'm gonna open this. Oh, sorry. I actually forgot to use this primer. I would have loved to use it. It looks like this. Eye primer makes your makeup pop. So this I'd love to try and I'll let you guys know. And the last product I have here for my Ipsy Glam bag, Lip Quip Moisturizing Lip Oil. Looks like this. I'm gonna go in with one of my lip products. This is the NYX Butter Gloss. Then I'm gonna go in with this lip oil. If you're not a fan of lip oil, you might not like this. I've actually been into lip products lately, like lip balms, lip oils, and this is actually nice. So I'm gonna start by unbagging the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Okay, you guys, for the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, the first product I have here is by the brand Dr. Brent. This is the vacuum cleaner pore purifying max. It looks like this. This seemed to be an interesting product after reading the description at the back of the product. I'm going to try it out and let you guys know next month what my thoughts is about this product. It does appear to be like a treatment sort of product. I'm not sure, but it says to use 2 to 3 times weekly and for maximum results. So I'm gonna try it and let you guys know what I think about this. Then the next product I have here is by the brand One Size. This is their gel eyeliner pencil. I actually used this for my eyes today, and looks like that. I used this today. It does blend into the eyes really nicely. It feels soft as well. The next product I have here is by the brand House Laboratories. This is by the, this is by Lady Gaga. I wish I used this. Oh my gosh. The product I have here is an eyeshadow palette. This is the Illuminati X Ipsy Glam palette. It looks like this. I love the packaging, and this is actually what I have on today. I'm gonna open it so you can see. Guys, look at that. The colors are so pretty. I love it. Okay, you guys, I figured I did not feature this product that came in with the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I just found it and I was like, I think I missed this one. So this blush is by the brand Ofra. It's blush rose. It looks like this. This does not suit my skin tone. I would have to give this away to someone who is much lighter than me, probably a friend. So this, if you're someone into skincare and makeup, you would love both the Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus. This time it comes with 5 full-size products for the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, as well as 5 sample products for the Ipsy Glam Bag, which other months I usually get like more than 5 full-size products in the PR version for the Ipsy Glam Bag. So thank you so much, Ipsy. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you received any of these products, please let me know in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to stay safe, stay beautiful. Subscribe here with the bell to all videos every week, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.